The shunt. Shunt is the place you're going to install the needle bar and pipe. And DB goes 1 and DB 5. The diameter is the different. So if you insert the DB goes 5 into DB1 needle bar, it is impossible. And next one is the glue here. This is the part of the upper thread. And we are making here the surface treatment. So thread is moving smoothly in the part. Here we call it the blade. Blade is a place we measure the needle size. And also this time we put so many inventions into the blade. Needle to be strong with the delicateness. The next one is the staff. This is very important part for the mechanics. Mechanic will adjust the timings in the staff. And needle eye. You have shown that how much smoothness we have in the needle eyes. And if you are going to reduce the needle size, the size of the needle eye is going to be smaller. So whenever the public term breakage needle cut happens, when you're going to reduce the needle size, this eye is also going to be smaller. So the skip stitches or thread damage might be happen. At that time, try with the plus needles. Plus has the bigger eye and have the clean stop. The cream means the cream is tend to make the groove bigger and the steady. The last one is the tip of the point and the needle point. Tip of the point is the first place penetrating into the fabric. So selection of the tip of the point is very important. If you select wrongly, the needle cut might happen. And the needle point, this is the place the fabric of the yarn is going to be spread.